You better trust the process. We have mixed the soil with the pills. Now we've added some water so that it becomes a little bit wet. And what are we planting today? We are planting onions, we are planting tomatoes, we are also planting some green peppers, but we are going to first put them in the tubs that are cut into half so that we make sure that when the plants come out we can actually see them and we are sure that this is a correct plant, and then we can actually transfer them into the soil. Trust the process. Kudla kumbe qolo, zikhandele amaveji wakho. Ungakhohlwa-ke ukulandela leli khasi. Usithande, sipho uthando, subscribe, bese-ke uba owala ekhaya nawe. Yabo, bese uvula iy'mbobo-ke lapha sifaka. Ukhuthele-ke umuntu wakhona, uyayichelela ingadi yakhe. Yeah, we do hope ukuthi very soon we will stop running into fruits and veggie because sizobe sesineyethu ingadi ethi thina na. Singaphazanyiswa umuntu kuyona e-organic, e-fresh, ezoseyivela imali. So nawe-ke Nkosi yami ngiyaku-advise yenza kanjalo. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Let's let this page grow. Thank you. Bye.